Hello everyone, welcome to Exquisite Info. My topic today is how you can fix the black screen shown on my desktop. This is for the OBS Studio. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide, a very simple solution, and I'll also tell you why this problem occurs. So stay with me and I'll help you to fix this issue. So before we move on to fixing the solution, I'd like to tell you that the reason for this is that you have two graphic cards in your computer, and OBS right now does not know whether you're showing gameplay on the OBS screen recorder or desktop. So we need to make it easier for this. We need to show the settings that it needed to show what we're doing at the time. So the different settings for both. I'll show you how to do the setting for the gameplay and also the setting for the desktop. So stay with me and I'll go through the steps. So if you look down where it says type here to search, this is on your Windows search bar. Can you see type here to search? What you need to do is type here graphic settings. So here it is, graphic settings. Just choose graphic settings and I should open up the graphic settings. So right here is the graphic settings, and you'll see something called classic app on this preference. Or you might have standard app. It's the same thing, either standard app or classic app. Both will do the same thing. So this tutorial is for both classic app or standard app. So all you do is what I've shown you already. I mean, I've had this loaded, so I had to remove it to show that tutorial the correct way. So anyways, I'll continue from there. So I've removed the OBS Studio from here. So what you do is click on the browse. And when you click browse, what you need to do, hold on, should come there. Yeah, here it is. So what we need to do is go to program files. This is where the OBS Studio is, and we need to find OBS Studio. And in this one, the option we need is bin, B-I-N, right on top. So this option here. So click add and then click 64-bit, or just click open, on the whichever you prefer. And when you open this, you need OBS 64, this option here, and click add. So add, that should show up here. Can you see it? Now you'll have two options, remove and options. Yeah. So what we need is the options. Click on the options, and now you'll have three boxes. One on the check marks: system default, power saving, and high performance. Now system default is what it chooses all the time. This is what causes confusion. So if you are to doing the gameplay, what you need is the high performance. You'll choose this one. So if you are doing gameplay or 3D recordings on the screen recorder of OBS, you'll choose the high performance. But right now, all we're doing is the screen recording. So all we're doing is a desktop screen recording, nothing else. So we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to choose power savings. So the less the power, the easier for this to pick up. So the thing is, you might have power savings in the option or safe mode. So either you have power saving or safe mode, it'll do the same thing. So you choose the safe mode instead of power saving. I'm choosing power saving because this is what I have. So what you do is then click save. So when you click save, it is all done and ready. So now the first part is fully ready. Now what we need to do is choose the second part. Can you see here sources? So we need to pick a source of what we're trying to do. So right here, like I said, there's no game capture, nothing. All we're doing is just recording a screen. So all we need is the setting called display capture. So click display capture and give a name if you want. I'm just going to keep it as normal display capture, and also make sure this box is ticked, make source visible. So tick this box and click OK. And can you see already? Look, you can see the background. Now I'll show you the desktop as well, just to look, everything, look, it's moving, and anything I open. So let's say if I go to a different website, I'll open that as well. Look, you'll see these things. And now I'm going to play one of the video that I've done for my Exquisite channel. You could find this video on my channel, the install Windows 10 and fix BIOS error. This will help you to fix any of those errors that are there, including the UEFI or legacy boot error. So do have a look on my channel. I'll also leave a link. So I'll play it so you can see that this is also showing as well on the OBS. So here is the OBS, you can see it. This is the normal screen recording that I'm doing, and this is the OBS, so you can see everything you do will be shown. So this was a very simple solution. I hope you liked this video and I hope it helped you. So if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click like on this video, and I look forward to making another video for you guys. This was Explicit Info doing a very quick tutorial on how to fix a black screen on OBS Studio. Goodbye for now.